Hello, good morning children. Now today I am starting here examples of 4.3. These are the example on the basis of the how to find the middle term in the expansion of a plus b bracket raised to n. Example number 4. Find the middle term middle terms in the expansion of first example. It consists 5 examples. I am taking first, third and fifth example. First example is x upon y plus y upon x bracket raised to here 12. Okay, x upon y plus y upon x bracket raised to 12. We have to find the middle terms depending upon the value of n. Here a formula will be there. Okay, here a is equal to x upon y, b is equal to y upon x, n is equal to 12. Okay, now n is equal to 12, which is equal to even number. Okay, therefore n plus 2 upon 2, which is equal to 12 plus 2 upon 2, which is equal to 7. Means 7th term is the middle term. Okay, therefore middle term is T7. For finding T7, R is equal to 6. We have to use the general formula for finding the general term. Okay, we have TR plus 1, which is equal to NCR a raised to n minus r b raised to r. Now put the values here. R is equal to 6, a is equal to given there, b is equal to given. Okay, and n is given as a 12. Therefore T7, which is equal to n is a 12, c here r is a 6, a is x upon y, n is a 12 minus 6, b is here y upon x raised to r, that is the 6, which is equal to T7. It is the middle term. T7 is the middle term. Okay, 12C6 NCR, how to find, you know there, 12 factorial upon 6 factorial upon 6 factorial. Here x upon y bracket raised to 6 into y upon x bracket raised to 6. Both will be cancelled there. Here write down as a NCR is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial, which is equal to 12 factorial, write down up to 6 factorial. 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon 6 factorial as it is. And this 6 factorial write down as a 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6 factorial cancel with 6. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 5 2s are 10. Okay, now 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 3 3s are 9, which is equal to 11 into 12 into 7, and these two terms are cancelled there. Now take the product, which is equal to 11 into 84 and which is equal to, here it is a T7 which is equal to 11 4s are 44, 11 8s are 88, 88 plus 4 92. Therefore, it is the middle term of the expansion of x upon y plus y upon x bracket raised to 12. Okay, it is your answer. Then next example, example number 3. The second example you have to solve, second and fourth example. Example number 3rd. X square minus 2 upon x bracket raised to 8. Okay. Here n is equal to 8. It is an even number. Okay. Solution. Here a is equal to x square, b is equal to minus 2 upon x, n is equal to 8, which is equal to even number. Okay. Therefore, middle term which is equal to n plus 2 upon 2th term, which is equal to 8 plus 2 upon 2th term, that is the 5th term. Okay. Therefore, middle term is T5, for which R is equal to 5. Sorry, R is equal to 4. We have TR plus 1, which is equal to NCR A raised to n minus R, B raised to R. Okay. Therefore, T5, which is equal to n is 8, C, R is 4, A is x square raised to n minus R, n is 8, 8 minus 4, B is minus 2 upon x raised to 4, which is equal to 8 factorial upon 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Here x square raised to 4 minus 2 upon x raised to 4 means this become as a, here power is even, therefore this term become as a positive, therefore 2 raised to 4, 16 upon x raised to 4. Okay. Then which is equal to, here since write down as a NCR is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. 8 factorial write down up to 4 factorial, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial write down as it is, and this 4 factorial write 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into, here x raised to 8 into 16 upon x raised to 4. 4 factorial cancel with 4. 4 to the 8 cancel. 3 to the 6. 5 into 2 10. 10 into 7. It is a 70 into 16 into x raised to 4. It is a 1120 x raised to 4. It is the middle term, which is equal to middle term. Okay. Then example number 5. Fifth example, x raised to 4 minus 1 upon x cube raised to is equal to odd number. Therefore, there are two terms which are middle terms. Okay. Here n is equal to 11, which is equal to odd. Okay. Then middle terms are n plus 1 upon 2th term and n plus 3 upon 2th term. Okay. That is 11 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 6th term, and 11 plus 3 upon 2th term means 7th term. Okay, there are these two middle terms, 6th and 7th term. Okay. Now we have to write a is equal to x raised to 4, b is equal to minus 1 upon x cube. Okay. We have tr plus 1, which is equal to ncr a raised to n minus r, b raised to r. For 6th term, r is equal to 5. Therefore, T6, which is equal to n is 11, c r is 5, a is x raised to 4, n is 11 minus 5, r is 5, b is minus 1 upon x cube raised to 5, which is equal to 11 factorial upon 5 factorial into 6 factorial. Here x raised to 4 raised to 6 minus 1 upon x cube raised to 5. Here write down as since ncr is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial, then which is equal to 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon 6 factorial as it is into 5 factorial, write down 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into x raised to 24 into, it is a negative minus 1 upon x raised to 15. Okay. Then which is equal to 6 factorial cancel with 6. Then 5 to the 10. Okay. 4 to the and 3 3 the means remaining as 3 into 2 6. It is 66 into 7. It is a negative into x raised to 9, which is equal to 7 6 are 42, 4 carry over, 7 6 are 42 plus 4, 42 plus 4, 46 minus 462 into x raised to 9. It is one of the middle term. Okay, minus 462 x raised to 9. It is one of the middle term. Now we have to find out next term as a 7th term, T7. Okay, then T7, which is equal to, I am writing here one of the answer. T6 is equal to minus 462 x raised to 9. It is the one of the middle term. we have TR plus 1 which is equal to NCR A raised to N minus R B raised to R. For T7 R is equal to 6. Therefore T7 which is equal to N is 11, C, R is 6, A is X raised to 4 into raised to N minus R. N is 11, 11 minus 6 that is 5, B is minus 1 upon X cube raised to here 6 which is equal to 11 factorial upon 6 factorial into 5 factorial. Here it is X raised to 20. This become as a positive minus 1 upon X raised to 18. Okay. Then which is equal to, since you have to write NCR is equal to N factorial upon R factorial into N minus R factorial. Okay. Now 11 factorial write down up to 6 factorial. Here 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon 6 factorial, as it is 5 factorial right here, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into it is become as a positive not negative, X raised to 2, 6 factorial cancel with 6, here 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are and 3 3s are. Okay. 3 into 2 6, 66 into 7 into x square which is equal to 462 x square. Okay. It is a 462 x square. It is a T7. Therefore middle terms are, answer we have to write, answer middle terms are minus 462 x raised to 9 and 462 x square. These are the two middle terms. Okay. Then remaining example you have to solve. Then example number 5. Fifth example. In the expansion of k plus x bracket raised to 8, the coefficient of x raised to 5 is 10 times the coefficient of x raised to 6. Find the value of k. We have to find out the value of k. Solution. Read the example carefully. In the expansion of k plus x bracket raised to 8, the coefficient of x raised to 5 is 10 times the coefficient of x raised to 6. Find the value of k. Okay, solution. Coefficient of, according to given thing, x raised to 5 in k plus x bracket raised to 8 which is equal to नाउ लुक हियर, x रेज टू 5 का कोएफिशिएंट which is equal to, it is 8c5, okay, into k raised to 8 minus 5, which is equal to 8c5 k raised to 3. ओके, देखो ये किस तरह से फाइंड आउट करोगे, a प्लस बी ब्रैकेट रेस टू एन मीन्स, नाउ लुक हियर, ये क्या होता है, एन सी 0 a रेस टू एन b रेस टू 0 प्लस एन सी 1 a रेस टू एन माइनस 1 b रेस टू 1 प्लस एन सी 2 a रेस टू एन माइनस 2 b रेस टू 2 प्लस एन सी 3 a रेस टू एन माइनस 3 b रेस टू 3 मीन्स, अगर मैंने यहाँ k प्लस एक्स रेस टू 8 लिखा तो यहाँ ये 8c0, a मीन्स क्या, k रेस टू 8, b रेस टू 0 मीन्स x रेस टू क्या हो जाएगा 0, 8c1 a रेस k रेस टू क्या रहेगा 7, x रेस टू 1, 8c2 x रेस टू 6, k रेस टू 6 x रेस टू 2 प्लस 8c3 k रेस टू 5, ओके, x क्यूब प्लस 8c4 k रेस टू 4 x रेस टू 4 प्लस 8c5 k रेस टू 5 x रेस टू 5. तो आपको क्या बोला है, द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x रेस टू 5 मीन्स x रेस टू 5 का इसी के एक्सपेंशन में का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है, 8c5 k रेस टू 5, ओके. तो ये कोएफिशिएंट क्या आ जाएगा, 8c5 k रेस टू, हाँ ये 3 आ जाएगा, नॉट 5, 3 आ जाएगा, 8c5 k रेस टू 3, ओके. तो ये 8c5 k क्यूब ये आ जाएगा, ओके, इसी का कोएफिशिएंट. तो ये क्या दे, द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x रेस टू 5 इज 10 टाइम्स द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x रेस टू 6. अभी x रेस टू 6 का कोएफिशिएंट क्या आ जाएगा, 8c6 k रेस टू ये 2 x रेस टू 6 मीन्स ये x रेस टू 6 का कोएफिशिएंट ये कोएफिशिएंट इसके 10 टाइम्स है, ये दिया है, ओके. तो यहाँ लिखेंगे देयरफॉर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x रेस टू 6 इन k प्लस x ब्रैकेट रेस टू 8 विच इज इक्वल टू क्या रहेगा, 8c6 k स्क्वायर, ओके. तो ये क्या दिया है, 10 टाइम्स है, ऐसा दिया है, इट इज गिवन एज 10 टाइम्स अकॉर्डिंग टू गिवन कंडीशन. C5 k क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 10 इंटू 8c6 k स्क्वायर. तो आपको k की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, ओके. तो ये k स्क्वायर, यहाँ k स्क्वायर को कैंसिल हो जाएगा, k इज इक्वल टू 10 इंटू 8c6 अपॉन 8c5 ये फाइंड आउट करना है, विच इज इक्वल टू 10 as it is 8c6. How to find? 8 factorial upon 6 factorial into 2 factorial upon 8 factorial, here 5 factorial into 3 factorial, which is equal to 8 factorial को कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये 10 एज इट इज, ये 1/6 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 2 फैक्टोरियल, और ये न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा 5 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 3 फैक्टोरियल। नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दैट, इसी को सिंप्लीफाई करोगे विच इज इक्वल टू ये 10 एज इट इज, नाउ ये 5 फैक्टोरियल एज इट इज, 3 फैक्टोरियल एज इट इज, यहाँ 6 फैक्टोरियल मीन्स 6 इंटू 5 फैक्टोरियल, ये 3 फैक्टोरियल मीन्स 3 इंटू 2 फैक्टोरियल, एंड ये 2 फैक्टोरियल, 2 फैक्टोरियल 2 फैक्टोरियल कैंसिल, 5 फैक्टोरियल कैंसिल, मीन्स 3 2 जा 6, मीन्स इसी का आंसर 1/2 आ जाएगा, और ये 2 से यहाँ 10 को डिवाइड कर दो 5 आ जाएगा। देयरफॉर k इज इक्वल टू 5, k का वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगा 5, वैल्यू ऑफ k इज 5। It is the easy example. Then next example, find the term containing x raised to, example number 6. Find the term containing x raised to 6 in the expansion of 2 minus x into 3x plus 1 bracket raised to 9. x raised to 6 की टर्म आपको फाइंड आउट करने की है, इसी के एक्सपांशन की। ओके, solution 2 minus x into 3x plus 1 bracket raised to 9. Okay, देन विच इज इक्वल टू, देखो ये 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 2 इंटू क्या आ जाएगा 3x प्लस 1 ब्रैकेट रेस टू 9 माइनस x इंटू 3x प्लस 1 ब्रैकेट रेस टू 9, 2 ये ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई किया, कंसिडर 3x प्लस 1 ब्रैकेट रेस टू 9, इसका एक्सपेंशन फाइंड आउट करेंगे। हियर a इज इक्वल टू 3x, b इज इक्वल टू 1, n इज इक्वल टू 9, देयरफॉर tr प्लस 1 which is equal to ncr a raised to n minus r b raised to r which is equal to, अभी r की वैल्यू पहले फाइंड आउट कर देंगे, 9, n की वैल्यू कितनी है 9, c r एज इट इज, a का वैल्यू 3x, n इज 9 माइनस r, b इज 1 रेस टू r, तो ये tr प्लस 1, आपको x रेस टू 6 का टर्म फाइंड आउट करना है। ओके, देन विच इज इक्वल टू ये 9 सी आर एज इट इज, ये 3 रेस टू 9 माइनस आर इंटू एक्स रेस टू 9 माइनस आर इंटू 1 रेस टू आर, to get the coefficient ऑफ x रेज टू 6. x रेज टू 6 यहाँ चाहिए तो r की वैल्यू कितनी चाहिए? 3 चाहिए. ओके, इन 2 into 3x plus 1 bracket raised to 9, we must have x raised to 9 minus r, which is equal to x raised to 6. Therefore implies 9 minus r is equal to 6. Therefore r is equal to 3. r की वैल्यू कितनी चाहिए? 3. Also, to get the coefficient of x raised to 6 in x into 3x plus 1 bracket raised to 9, we must have अभी यहाँ ये x into x raised to 9 minus r, which is equal to x raised to 6, implies अभी यहाँ 10 minus r हो जाएगा. ये 10 minus r means 10 minus r, which is equal to 6. तो यहाँ therefore r is equal to 4 होना चाहिए. r is equal to 4. therefore देखो यहाँ भी तो x raised to 6 की टर्म रहेगी और यहाँ भी रहेगी. ओके, तो यहाँ r की वैल्यू 3 चाहिए, यहाँ r की वैल्यू 4 चाहिए. therefore the term containing x raised to 6 in the expansion of तो देखो ये 2 into 3x plus 1 bracket raised to 9 minus x into 3x plus 1 bracket raised to 9, which is equal to, तो यहाँ r की वैल्यू 3 चाहिए, यहाँ r की वैल्यू 4 चाहिए. तो लिखेंगे किस तरह से? ये 2 as it is 9cr, ओके, 3 raised to 9 minus r minus 9cr 3 raised to 9 minus r. which is equal to ये 2 into 9c, यहाँ r की वैल्यू 3 चाहिए, into 3 raised to ये 6 आ जाएगा, minus 9c4 3 raised to 9, यहाँ r की वैल्यू 4 means 5 आ जाएगा. ओके, then which is equal to ये 2 into यहाँ से 3 raised to 5 हम कॉमन ले सकते हैं. 3 raised to 5 as a common into in bracket 2 into 9c3r 9 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 factorial minus यहाँ ये यहाँ 3 into रह गया है 9 factorial upon 4 factorial into 5 factorial, which is equal to 3 raised to 5 into ये 6 into 9 factorial 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon ये 6 factorial as it is 3 into 2 into 1 minus 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. This 5 factorial as it is 4 factorial can be written as a 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Calculation, it's your work. 3 raised to 5. 6 factorial cancel with 3 to the 6 cancel. Now here also 5 factorial cancel with 5. 4 to the 8 cancel, 3 to the 6 cancel. Okay, then minus ये 1 to 6 आ जाएगा, and here on 72 into 7 means 504 minus 126. Okay, and here 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 5 it is 243 into 504 minus 126 it is 8, 1 carrier 3, 7, 1 carrier 3. It is 243 into 378. Calculate that. 378 into 243. Okay, do the calculation. I think that here totally calculation is 4, 4, 8, 5, 5, 10, 11, 1 carrier 9, 91, 8, 4, 4 or 5, 4. Here is a 3, means 5, 4. It is a 91,854 answer. Therefore, the term containing x raised to 6 in the expansion of, तो ये x raised to 6 का term है. Okay. Example number 7, and it is the last example of this exercise. The coefficient of x square. It is the last example. Okay. Example number 7. The coefficient of x square in the expansion of 1 plus 2x raised to m is 112. Find m. Solution. What is the question? Look here. ये जो expansion है 1 plus 2x bracket raised to m, इसी के एक्सपेंशन में का द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर का जो भी कोएफिशिएंट है वो 112 दिया है, तो आपको m की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सॉल्यूशन. द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इन 1 plus 2x bracket raised to m विच इज इक्वल टू, तो आपको क्या दिया है 112 दिया है। तो ये इसका एक्सपेंशन किस तरह से आ जाएगा एम सी, ओके। तो देखो एक्स स्क्वायर है, तो यहाँ एम सी टू आ जाएगा। देखो ए प्लस बी ब्रैकेट रेस टू एन अगर रहेगा तो एन सी 0, ए रेस टू एन, बी रेस टू 0 होता है। एन सी 1, ए रेस टू एन माइनस 1, बी रेस टू 1 प्लस एन सी 2, ओके, ए रेस टू एन माइनस 2 बी स्क्वायर। तो एक्स स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट मीन्स ये टर्म, ओके। तो ये एन सी 2 रहेगा। तो यहाँ एन मीन्स क्या है एम सी 2, ओके, एम सी 2 ए रेस टू एन माइनस 2। तो यहाँ 1 का वैल्यू 1 रेस टू एम माइनस 2 रहेगा, ओके। और ये 2x रेस टू क्या रहेगा एम रहेगा। हियर इज अ 2। तो इस तरह से कोएफिशिएंट रहेगा, ओके। तो ये एक्स स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट क्या दिया है 112 दिया है। तो ये उसी का एक्सपेंशन है, ओके। तो हम सिर्फ क्या लिखेंगे एम सी 2 एंड 2 रेस टू 2, ओके। Therefore the coefficient of x square which is equal to given as a 112, therefore MC2 ये 1 ही आ जाएगा, 2 स्क्वायर मीन्स 4 आ जाएगा इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर, इट इज गिवन एज अ 112। तो एक्स स्क्वायर हम नहीं ले लेंगे, ओके। तो इतना ही लेना है एम सी 2 इंटू 4 विच इज इक्वल टू 112। देयरफॉर एम सी 2 विच इज इक्वल टू 112 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 विच इज इक्वल टू 28 आ जाएगा। Therefore m factorial upon 2 factorial into m minus 2 factorial which is equal to 28। यहाँ लिख दो NCR n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial। Therefore अभी m factorial means क्या, देखो n फैक्टोरियल मीन्स 5 फैक्टोरियल 5 इंटू 4 इंटू, तो यहाँ m फैक्टोरियल मीन्स क्या लिखोगे m इंटू m माइनस 1 इंटू m माइनस 2, बिकॉज हियर इज m माइनस 2 फैक्टोरियल, ओके, अपॉन, तो यहाँ m माइनस 2 फैक्टोरियल लिख सकते हैं इसी को। ये 2 फैक्टोरियल मीन्स 2 इंटू 1 और ये m माइनस 2 फैक्टोरियल इज इक्वल टू 28। तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा। m इंटू m माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 56, ओके, इम्प्लाइज m स्क्वायर माइनस m माइनस 56 इज इक्वल टू 0। m माइनस 8 m plus 7 is equal to 0। Therefore m is equal to 8 और m is equal to minus 7। तो नेगेटिव हम नहीं कंसिडर करते, therefore आंसर इज m is equal to 8। m का वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगा 8 आ जाएगा, m is equal to 8। Now children, this chapter is over now here। Thank you children।